Welcome to AnSRS4U Express, Salary Cap Calculation. This short lesson will explain how to use the SRS Salary Cap Calculator.
We're going to switch gears now to salary cap. So not all sponsors have an established salary cap, but some of our most common ones are listed here. So if an individual's salary is greater than the established salary cap, then the difference in their salary must be cost shared. When effort is being allocated to a sponsor project, then the corresponding departmental cost share account that's established for that cap must also be listed. Now, this isn't always reportable cost share to a sponsor, but we do still have to track it for audit purposes and as a requirement of the project. So when we're looking at both a costing allocation or a PCT, we are using the salary cap calculator worksheet, which we'll go over, to calculate the correct percentage of working effort versus how much should be charged to the different accounts. In this screenshot here from the cost sharing tab in Maestro, we can see that on this project, the PI is subject to the salary cap. It lists the specific departmental account that should be used to capture that difference. And the dollar amount that's listed here is not a reportable or required amount to the sponsor, but this is based on the proposed effort from the original proposal budget for the life of the project. So again, it's just going to be based on the effort that's being applied for that specific time period. So this is the salary cap calculator worksheet. This is also on our website. And for those common sponsors, we do try to keep our rates updated as frequently as we can. From the time that we actually put this presentation together, and now NIH has updated their rate, so we do need to update the form and publish it on our website. But if there's ever any questions about this form, again, we just ask that you work with the project administrator. So again, when a project administrator is reviewing a costing allocation or a PCT and an individual is over the salary cap, we use this worksheet to determine what the correct split should be between the sponsored account and the departmental cost share account that's established. So in this specific example, we see that the PI is requesting to charge 25% working effort towards the CPRIT sponsored project. That PI's monthly salary is $22,600, which does exceed the CPRIT salary cap as shown on the worksheet. So once we fill in this information, then the worksheet is going to tell us the dollar amount as well as the percent effort split between the sponsored project and the departmental cost share account. So with this example, again, the PI wanted to charge 25% of their working effort towards the CPRIT project. And this tells us that 18.44% for that time period should be charged to the sponsored account. And then 6.56% should be charged to that departmental cost share account to make up the total 25% working effort. If any changes need to be made to either the costing allocation or the PCT, the project administrator will return it and send this form to the department so that the appropriate revisions can be made.
If you have any questions, please contact your Sponsored Research Services project administrator.